I just gave her some pizza rolls and oatmeal and she passed out while watching a movie. So I turned off the TV. There's a mess in here. My mom actually gave me this pillow, so I gave it to Jasmine. Well, I'm about to play some video games with Nick, my husband, and my friend Danny. Danny's a pickle, honorary pickle, and a shout out to her. We are going to be playing Fortnite and Party Animals on Xbox. Hopefully I can slide in some clips for y'all, but I'm tired. I was whispering and doing the most in there, trying to clean up. But yeah, I'm just going to get a quick snack, feed this little second baby here. Since I'm pregnant, I'm super excited for Jasmine to become a big sister. She just has so much big sister energy, so much potential to be a bestie, to be a nurturing good friend. Sausage and bread with a banana nut bread muffin. Nick's got the same thing, and we are just chilling, eating good. I wanted to eat out, but I figured let's figure out what's in the oven, what's in the kitchen first. We were just playing video games, now we're watching TV, vibing, eating breakfast. What are you looking at?
Oh, I'm looking at something.
What are you looking at? What are you looking at? Anyway, guys. Bon appetit. Okay. It's here, Pickles. My new backdrop. I am ready to show y'all what it looks like. We are brand new. Oops, just ran into the door. We are brand new and improved over here. Voila. The new backdrop, we're gonna see how it looks. Does it take up the whole room? Yes, it does. Does it work with the light off? Two, three. Here we go. Just position that. So, hello. This is the new backdrop for videos. What do y'all think? Do you like it? Is it interesting for you? I decided to do this because my backdrop honestly was getting really old and raggedy, and it's supposed to be in my room, and I've had nothing on my room wall for a while, so I decided to put that one back, upgrade in here, and I do need to still clean my office today, so that's probably what I'll do next. Unfortunately for me, I have been slacking. I was just watching TV with Nick, watching a movie, and I honestly forgot about all my to-dos. I was gonna take the day off, but it's never really a day off when you gotta grind for the money. So, whew. Tiny little cramps here and there. Plus, I'm just slower now, slower than ever. But it's okay. The indigestion's not gonna slow me down. Hold on, guys. Pickles. Oh, wow, that's worse. Worse, worse, worse. Trying to get a good view for y'all. The new background, what do you think? Is it radical? Is it hypnotic? Do I stand out to the max? I figured y'all were tired of looking at the old white wall. Hopefully, this is good for y'all. Anyways, I will see y'all on the flip, because now I have to clean this office. I've got ASMR stuff everywhere out the wazoo. No organization to it whatsoever. I've got stuff from when I did that nail video. Press on nail stuff. I got plastics. I got Mr. Woofer's. Forgot his name, honestly. But I just need to get some of this trash thrown away. Clean up a little bit. Do what I do to maintain the look. Because right now we're looking a little, it's a little hot messy. It's kind of a hot mess over here, but I'm getting it done. Little by little. Putting stuff where it belongs. How's y'all day been? Like I said, I was just chilling with Nick, watching a movie. He dozed off, and then I woke him up to cycle the laundry because it's time to cycle the laundry. And I freaking kicked a weight he left on the floor. Like, how disrespectful can you be to leave a weight on the floor on your side of the room, and I'm coming over here and I step on it, or kick it actually. So I'm just picking stuff up. So if I go all over, this is just a test, so y'all can see the background, get entranced. Ooh la la. Ooh. Grabbing stuff off the ground. Got a crayon here, loose. Got my sedators. I need some water so that I can film a couple of YouTube video customs, because I know what y'all want. Once my office is clean, it'll be easier to focus, easier to film, and then I can more easily get the triggers done because it's clean. What does it say? Like your room equates to your brain or whatever. Your room equates to your brain. So if your room is clean, your brain is clean. Something like that. I don't know. Maybe I'm making that up. Just sticking these flowers to the wall. Don't mind me. And moving some stuff around. Just so I can see everything, because I definitely don't have a visual of the desk or counter. I know y'all hear and see Cornelius. Yeah, boy. Just gonna get all that put down and move this. Okay, that is decent. It's not my love, but better than before, for sure. Okay, and get these Q-tips out of here. Sometimes you just gotta look around, get the miscellaneous trash that's just lying around. And okay, looks okay. It's not great. Definitely could still use. I'm gonna throw this away. What up, Nick? We in the red room right now. Our lamp actually broke in there. Jasmine broke it. She freaking grabbed the whole shelf, and the shelf almost fell on her, but Nick and I grabbed her and moved her, but the lamp fell over and broke, so we're using the colored lamp now. Okay. This is a little bit better. A little bit more poised. Not perfect, but it's definitely, I can see. I can look around and see everything that needs to be seen. Yep. Okay. All done. So, there's a couple of things on the ground I'm gonna pick up here. Get this trash and stuff. Push that out of the way. This is weird. Grab this out up here. And we're good. Hope y'all are enjoying the natural lighting. But Nick and I were spending time with our lovely daughter, but she didn't want to hang out with us. She kept screaming and crying. Like she just ate breakfast. She had her bottle. She just didn't want to stay still and didn't want to be quiet. So we had to banish her to her room, let her do what she does in there. I'm refilling my water. Very thirsty. About to film some YouTube video, get the customs out so y'all can listen to some ASMR and sleep. Ooh, excuse me. Get some ice in here. Excuse me. I hope y'all's day goes good. Pickles, it is a gloomy day today. It's been rainy. It's been, well, it was sunny this morning, but it was rainy earlier. Now it's really cloudy. Drizzly, I should say. It was rainy yesterday. So you can really just see the transition from summer to fall. Like literally click on one of my videos from last month. Huge difference. But anyways, enough talking about the weather. I'm gonna head out. I got videos to film. Y'all got other videos of mine to watch. And I hope you pickles have a great day. If you got this far in the video, put banana nut muffins are life in the comments below. Put banana nut muffins are life in the comments below if you got this far. And cheers to having a good day or making the most of it.